All right, hi, and welcome to 16.3-ish, okay, and 16.4. We're going over molarity and dilutions, which we did talk a little bit about in class, and on Monday we will do some examples of these. So we're going to go ahead and move on. All right, here is our first joke. What do you call a tooth in a glass of water? Ba-dum-dum. 1 molar solution. All right. I have a surprise. I have 3 jokes for you today. It was too cute. I couldn't help it. And the last one. Alright, I hope you enjoy those. So now, down to business. We've got molarity. Okay, with molarity, you have your definition at the top. It's the measure of a concentration of a solution. Molarity is dealing with the moles of solute per 1 liter of solution. Okay, molality is dealing with not a liter of a solution, but a kilogram of solution. So molarity and molality are different in those aspects. But a hint for you about molality you will find at the very end of this video, and it should only take 3 seconds, I believe. Okay? Alright, so here's a quick little problem for you. So if you have the moles of solute divided by the liters of solution, what is the molarity if you have 3 liters of a solution containing 5.85 grams of sodium chloride? Take a second and write your answer in the box to the side. Alright, hopefully you have your problem set up like so. Okay, you have your 5.85 grams here, and this should be a multiplication sign. And you have in 1 mole, you have 58.45 grams of sodium chloride. And so that's going to give us 0.1 moles over 3 liters. Okay, so we had to do an extra step to go from grams to our molar mass to get moles, because we were not given moles, and it's moles of solute over the liters of our solution. Okay, and so your answer should be 0.03 m, which stands for molar. Okay, and we keep our answers in molar. And here's an example of that. Sorry, my head's a bit in the way. What you have are 2 beakers, okay? And say you have 100 blue particles in each cup, okay? Those blue particles are the solutes, okay, which make our solutions blue. This one is a darker blue than this solution because this one has more solvent, and so we would say it's more diluted, okay, which is pretty easy, okay? And then the red particles are solvent, okay, and it's just representing maybe this is water in this case, okay? All right, so making dilutions, you have your initial molarity and volume, and that will equal your secondary or your final molarity and volume, okay? And so that's your formula there at the top for you, okay? And here it is again. I don't know why the exclamation points are showing, but those are your multiplication signs, okay? It's just weird this time. All right, so here we go with another example. So I want to know how many milliliters now, okay? So our volume is in milliliters. How many milliliters of a 1 molar solution of HCl are needed to make 100 milliliters of 0.025 molars of HCl, okay? Hopefully you set up your problem like below. So you have your initial molar, okay, or molarity, which is 1, but we don't know what V1 is. That is what we're looking for. And so then you set up your second molarity multiplied by your second volume, and basically what that equals is multiply these two together and then divide it by 1, which in this case is kind of redundant, okay? So go ahead and write your answer, or hopefully you have your answer written to the side already, and you should get 2.5 milliliters, okay? So that's how much we start out with. And that is all that I have for you guys for molarity and dilutions, okay? What I wanted to tell you about molality, okay, I know they sound the same, but here is your 3-second hint, okay? Molality will not be on your test, okay? Bit long, 3 seconds, but there you go. I hope you guys have fun studying. All right, bye.